What's going on? Raheem Madison here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you access to the Morningfame invite code. And get this, it's going to be free for 30 days. So you're literally going to get 1 full month to test this software out, see how to use it, and how it's going to help you scale up your YouTube channel the same exact way that it's helping me. All right, so if you're super excited about that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. So with that being said, let's jump right into today's review. All right, so as I stated, guys, this is Morningfame, and it has 2 parts to it, okay? So there's an analytical side, and then there's a research using like a keyword research tool. Now, let's jump into it because I don't want this to take too long, guys, but I do want to provide some value and show you the value in this software. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so guys, as you can see up in the corner, it shows you your analytics. As you can see, I have 2,080 subscribers, 176,000 views, 61% of views come from visitors, 39% of views come from my subscribers, okay? And shout out to all my subscribers. Shout out to you guys, all right? All right, so here we go. 18 subscribers over the last 7 days, and it pretty much gives you an update, and this is the analytical side of it. I'm going to focus more on the research side towards a little bit later in this video, so stay tuned for that, all right? All right, so as you can see, is your channel trending upwards? This is showing me how I'm doing. So as you can see, I have all green check marks, which means that my channel is continuing to grow, right? My views are up, my view duration is up, my likes, my comments, and my subscribers are up. All right, so if I scroll down further, like I said, I'm going to talk about the research side of this because there is 2 parts of this software. But let's get right here. So let's say, for instance, I want to see all the videos that have gotten me a lot of subscribers. So all I have to do is sort by subscribers gained. Now look, this was a video that got me a lot of subscribers, so that can give me an idea of, different topics that I can talk about. So for example, here you can see this is a ClickBank video. So this ClickBank video, it made my channel grow. It got me views. It got people that actually sat and watched me for at least 7 minutes. My likes were up, my comments were up, and my subscribers, I gained subscribers from that video. So this would be a good video to go out and replicate, but put it in a different way, but keep it on that specific topic, right? So same thing for this, right? This video made my channel grow, had a good amount of check marks, so I could probably do another video based around that topic. So that's essentially what this tool does. It shows you what's already working for you, and then it also, what I love is it also shows you what's not working. So let me show you what I mean. So if I scroll back up and I sort by, let's just sort by, let's just go back to date, and then what I'll do is I'll sort by sleeping. Okay, so the Z's mean that the video content that you did, it didn't produce results. So check it out. Made channel grow? Nope, it's sleep. Right? So these are all the Z's, and these are videos that didn't help out my channel, so I don't really need to focus on what doesn't work, okay? All right, so the same concept for if it got me a gray check. So a gray check means that, it wasn't necessarily bad, it just didn't make your channel necessarily grow, okay? So that's what the gray checks are. Now, same thing, and you can pretty much go through all of them, so everything that got me a trophy, okay? All right, so it's not showing anything that got me a trophy, but as we just saw, I'm guessing it's talking about, all right, so let me just go to green check. All right, so green checks, everything that I have a green check by, right, that's just showing me, okay, this may be another good idea, another video that you can create content based around, all right? So that's how that works, and you can pretty much kind of play with that as you get used to it. But as you can see, what it did up here is what it's doing for these videos individually down at the bottom. All right, so that's the first tab. Now the second tab is the strategy tab. So basically what this is, it's going to show you the recommended focus. So what you should be focusing on increasing right now. So right now it's saying I should be focusing on increasing engagement. So getting more likes on my videos, getting more comments on my videos, right? That's the recommended focus. And that's usually what I focus on. I don't, whatever they point out, that's what I focus on. I don't really try to play the game of, if they're not saying that I need to focus on this, I don't focus on it, right? Even though I'm going to do it by default in my videos anyway. All right, so that's what you can do. Now, if we scroll down here, it shows you all the growth opportunities, which is pretty much the same concept of what we did over here, where we basically filtered everything. These are the videos that would be good for me. So it's telling me create more of these. So that's saying that your audience liked it and visitors had a good subscriber and visitor experience when they visited your videos, right? So if I scroll down now, it says, instead of these, try something new. So it pretty much does that for every category on here. And I'll show you on the next tab, which is the workshop tab. So they're saying that these videos weren't good to create on my channel. All right. Now let's go up here and we're going to enter the workshop, and it's going to take us over to the next tab. So remember, I said out of all the tabs, it's going to show you the videos that created the most amount of views for you. It's going to show you the videos that created the watch time for you. It's going to show you the videos that created the most amount of engagement, and the videos that created the most amount of subscribers. So based on what they're telling you, what they're basically telling you is that you only want to focus on, let me just show you what I mean. So this is the engagement, right? So you see how we're under engagement? So basically what it's saying is, if I want to create more engagement, check it out, create more of these to grow your engagement. So as you can see, these videos got the most engagement. So if I want to get more comments and more likes, I need to create more videos that are like this, because those videos created that type of engagement. So that right there is very powerful. And I love what it does is because it's basing it on your channel. It's not like, and you know, nothing against other tools out there, but with this, it shows everything is based on you. It's not just based on one general thing, if that makes sense. All right, so let me scroll up, and if I go over to the velocity tab, right now, this is pretty cool. It shows you your thumbnails. So look what it says. Do your thumbnails have a consistent look? And what do you notice about my thumbnails, guys? They're all the same. The only thing that I'm really changing in them is the wording, right? So I can create some type of curiosity, right? Can you really make money with royalty? The one strategy they forgot to tell you about, right? Something that's going to make people click, because YouTube, you know, in 2019 and beyond, right? It's going to be about, are people, are they looking at your thumbnail and actually wanting to click through to your video? And then usually once somebody looks at a thumbnail, they look at a title as well. So those things are going to be ridiculously important in the future. All right. So if I scroll down now, you're going to see they're going to basically compare your thumbnails with your competitors. Okay. Now we're going to get to that, but also they show you what it looks like on a phone, what it looks like on a tablet, you know, what it looks like on a tablet versus a phone. That's what they're showing you here. All right. Now, what I was talking about earlier, which what they do is they look at, you know, what type of thumbnails your competitor has, right? And they compare it to yours. So out of all of these thumbnails, which one would you click? Let me know in the comments which one of these you would actually click on. And it doesn't have to be mine. You know, I just want to see, you know, just have a little fun in the comments. All right. All right. So same thing here. So I did a video on Bing ads, right? So I actually did this video a couple of days ago. So Bing ads, right? He has his thumbnail. And then out of all of these, which one would you click on? Okay. And then if you want to, you can show the titles as well, because those are the first two things that people look at when they're on YouTube searching. They look at the thumbnail, then they look at the title of the video. Right? Sometimes it's the other way around. Title and then thumbnail. All right? So that's why they do it. They understand what YouTube wants, right? And click-through rate is a big one, right? How many people see your thumbnail and just automatically click through? That's what YouTube is looking for. So that's why I love what they're doing right there. So I'm going to click out of that. Now, also publish at the right time. This right here is dangerous, okay? All right, so here we go. It's going to show you proven times, promising times, and times that you should test. So you just basically follow the color code. So from 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. is a good time for me to post videos. All right, and then they have the little colors. This is for strong, this is for okay, and this is for weak. So as you can see, I published videos that were at times that weren't going to get me the best results, right? So this just helps you to be able to see, okay, this time is going to work for me. This time is working for me every single time. I need to make sure I'm posting my videos at that specific time. All right, and then over here they have, based on what they see with your channel, they want to see, okay, these are times that you should probably test out based on how your analytics are, right? So they're telling me on Sunday between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. I need to release a video, right? Just to test it out and see, is it going to become a proven time? All right, so that's how that works. Now let me go ahead and back out of that. And then the good subscriber experience. So when someone came to your video, what type of experience did they have, right? Did they like the video? Did they comment on the video? Did they share the video? That's basically what this is all about. All right, so if you look at this, it goes even more in detail. It shows you, okay, are you above average? Are you average? Are you below average in those particular categories? So in this case, it's views, view duration, likes, and shares. Okay, so for view duration, I'm above average. Now for likes, it's saying that I'm low, right? So it just really shows you, it grades you, it really shows you a lot of analytical things, so you can it can really help you scale your channel up. All right, so if I go over here now, that was the top 10. So you see I got A's, B's, you know, and higher grades. But if I go to the bottom 10, these videos weren't good, right? Basically what they're saying, people didn't engage with these videos very, like your subscribers, sorry about that. Your subscribers didn't really engage with those videos so much, right? So those are things that you might want to focus on, not to put out videos like that. So it just really helps you as a whole to really grow your channel. It tells you what to focus on and also what not to focus on. All right. So that's the basis of part one of the tool. Now let's go to part two, which you guys that are subscribers of mine, you probably saw me using this part of the tool before, but this is the analytical side. Now if I go here, right, you'll see that says keyword research. That's the part that you see me using all the time. Okay, now I'm not going to click it because I already have it open, but let me just go over there like this. All right, so this is the other part of the tool. There's two parts, analytical and research. Now, this is the side where you're going to do your keyword research, get the keywords that you're going to, try to get out there and rank for, all right? All right, so here we go. Create more of these. The same concept as I just showed you on the analytical side. These are the videos that if you want to focus on, for example, views. If you want to grow more views, it's going to put the right videos in front of you that generated the most amount of views. Same concept, views from visitors, watch time, engagement, same kind of concept from over there on the analytical side. Now, here's the other great part about this tool of part two. Get ideas from channels close to yours. So it's going to basically, through the use of keywords, find channels that use similar keywords as yours, that 9 times out of 10, if they're using the same keywords, it's a similar channel. Okay, so they put you into a cluster. Then you can go and see how their videos are doing, and then based on how their videos are doing, you can create similar videos. So for the people that were familiar with what I was doing in a few of my videos, where I go on YouTube, I type a niche in, and then I do filter by channel, right? And then it pulls up all of these videos that are in my niche, and then I go and look at their best video. Well, this is doing exactly the same thing. So I can do everything literally right here in Morningfame. I don't really have to go over to YouTube until I want to, check out, the amount of demand that it's getting. Then I can go over to YouTube and use my keywords everywhere tool, which shows me how many searches that keyword is getting per month, right? So pretty much you can go down here. These are all the channels that are related to my channel, right? And as we keep going down, and this is going to help me gather different ideas, okay? All right, so that's the basis of that. Now, if I go to keyword, right, basically what I would do from here is I would follow step by step. but I don't use the tool like that. And you guys know I'm all about showing you how I use it. So if we look here, all I have to do is just type a keyword in. So let's say, for instance, I want to do a video on green juicing, okay? So as you can see, green juicing recipes, green juicing for weight loss. So let's just use that for example. All right, so based on, and this is what I'll let you know, is that this is going to be based on your channel, okay? These analytics up here is what they're ranking this stuff off of. So it's saying that I have an A relevancy if I were to use that keyword. But I have an F here, an F here, and an E here. Now let me say something about these grades, okay? Now, if I had an A, a D, a D, a D, that would be good, you know, based off this software. Sometimes we'll see Fs on here and we'll see E's, but then you may see like a D here and a D here, right? A good, what you'll know, let me actually just go into some of my keywords that I already use so I can give you an idea. All right, so Morningfame invite code. This is the video that you're watching right now. All right, so I'm giving you guys literally the details into this. So Morningfame invite code, I have an A for this for relevancy, right? So as you can see, I have the title, I have it in my description, and I have it as a tag. All right, so as you can see, so far I think I have a chance with this, right? Just based off the actual, you know, the grades that it gives me. So look at the grades. So I have an A here, a D here, an E here, and a D here. Don't take these, what I'm saying is don't take these grades to the T, right? Because sometimes you can get away with ranking, and especially with me, because I'm real competitive. Sometimes this tells me, hey, you know, this is really competitive, and sometimes I still go for it, and sometimes I actually get lucky, right? And I don't like to use the word lucky, but I implement different strategies in the background that are going to help me actually rank those videos. You know what I mean? So that's basically what it does. It shows you based on your channel, how are you going to rank? How good are you going to do if you actually do a video on that channel? I mean, do a video and upload a new video. That's basically what it's doing for you. All right, so that's how I use the tool. So I just want to show you a few more examples of my stuff. So let me go down. All right, so let's see here. How to get more subscribers on YouTube by cheating. So I just did this video probably a day or two ago. So as you can see, guys, 96%, and the average gateway video, which is the video that doesn't have a lot of subscribers but it's ranking, that's that video. Now look at my relevancy compared to that video, right? So 9 times out of 10, I may be ranking for this keyword. I may not be ranking. Let's just actually take a look, right? Let's just take a look and see if I'm actually ranking for that specific keyword. So I'm going to go to incognito browser, and I'm going to put YouTube in here, and I'm going to put that keyword in, and we're just going to see if I'm actually ranking. And based off the software, is the software pretty much, is it something that's actually legit to what it's showing you, right? So let's just see if I'm ranking. All right, so let's see if I'm, okay, there it is, guys. I'm ranking for that keyword. So based off, right, based off the software says I should be ranking for that keyword because there's so much distance in between me and the actual gateway video. Okay, so you just seen it right then and there, right, that I'm ranking for that particular keyword. All right, so that's the basis of what it does. And as you can see, you're able to create your title, description, and tags. And what I like what it does, guys, and this is super powerful. So I like what it does here is where you see what this says: to follow YouTube's recommendation, these tags are ordered by relevance. So these tags are put in here by relevancy. Let me show you. Let's go back to the green juicing. All right, so let me show you what I mean. Green juicing. All right, green juicing for weight loss. Now let's say, for instance, it's probably going to say that's real competitive. Watch this. Boom, competition is too high. But I'm just going to go through and show you what it does automatically. Okay, so I have it in here. Now watch this. It already has the tags from the top videos already listed there, right? So that was all literally done on automation. Now, if I want to add more keywords in there to make it even better, which is usually what I do, right, I can use that to increase this relevancy over here. Now, guys, so far, if you're blown away by this tool, let me know in the comments, guys. This tool has part one, which is analytical, so you can see what's working and what's not working and what you need to get rid of and all that other stuff. And then turn around, they have the keyword tool that allows you to really speed up the process where you don't really have to go on YouTube, right? You can look at the channels that are similar to yours and base it literally off of that, guys. Like when I say this tool is powerful, guys, and as you get started, literally you got a free month to see how this thing works, guys, a free month. So let me show you the pricing before. This is just for after your free month. If you want to continue, you don't have to, right? But once you use it, I'm telling you, because I've had it for over a year and a half now. Okay, so here we go. The basic plan means you're going to get the analytical side, which is this side over here, right? You're going to get access to that, and it's $4.90 a month. Guys, $4.90 a month for all of that I just showed you, right? And if you're a yearly person, you don't like monthly payments, $3.90 times 12, right? You do the math on that. But if you want the plus plan, which is the plan that I have, you pay $9 a month, right? And you're going to get access to the analytics and you're going to get access to the keyword. Now, let me go back over here. Now, you see it said limited, okay? So you're still getting the keyword research tool for the basic plan, right? But why not have it unlimited for $9 a month? Or if you don't like monthly payment, $6.90 times 12, okay? So that's the plan that I have because I do YouTube videos all the time. So that it just made sense for me to get out there and just get the big dog, all right? All right, so like I said, the link for this will be in the description. Hopefully you made it this far in the video. All you have to do is click on that. It's going to give you free 30 days, guys. 30 days to test this thing out. And I'm telling you, you're going to love it. All right? So if you got some value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so, also tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos on the channel, you get them. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.